Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, The Indian Mom's Kitchen. Today's recipe is a lovely chocolate recipe. As Christmas is fast approaching, chocolates is definitely one of the main things that we do make during Christmas. Today we're going to replicate the original Bounty chocolate at home with very minimal ingredients. I also don't need a fancy mold for this kind of chocolate. So let's begin today's recipe. For that, in a pan I've taken half a cup of sugar, to which I've added 1 cup of milk. Let this mixture come to a boil and let the sugar melt. Once the sugar has melted, I'm going to add 2 cups of desiccated coconut. Mix everything well and cook on a high flame. The entire mixture should dry up. The coconut should absorb all the moisture and become juicy and yum. The mixture should be very dry or you can't shape it. So make sure it is dry very well and keep stirring it or the sugar will burn at the bottom. Once you feel that the mixture has become tight enough, remove it into another bowl and keep it to cool. Once the mixture has cooled down, shape it as I'm showing you into elongated bars. These coconut bars I'm going to keep on a plate covered with butter paper, and I'm going to keep it in the fridge to chill till I melt the chocolate. For the chocolate covering, I'm going to use milk compound. And here milk compound in weight is 200 grams. I'm going to cut the milk compound into small pieces so it's easier to melt. I'm doing it into a ceramic dish. You can use a glass bowl or a steel container, but make sure there is no moisture in it. I'm melting the chocolate using the double boiling method. For that, I've kept a pan of water to heat up. Once the water has started to simmer, I'm going to keep the plate with the chocolate on top and let it melt. It'll just take a few minutes to melt. Once that I've seen that the chocolate is melting and most of it is already in liquid form, I'm going to remove the plate from the fire and continuously stirring it with a spoon to make sure there are no lumps and the chocolate has become super glossy. And while I'm mixing, what is going to happen is the chocolate is also going to cool down a bit, because I can't use this chocolate while it's piping hot, because the coconut bars that you've made is chilling in the fridge. That might disintegrate in the chocolate if it's too hot. Once the chocolate has cooled down a bit, I'm going to individually dip the coconut bars in the chocolate. Once the coconut bars are coated liberally with the chocolate, I'm going to lift it out of the chocolate with a fork and keep it on the butter paper. This I'm going to keep it to set for 10 minutes in the fridge. After 10 minutes, your Bounty chocolates are ready. Super easy and super yummy Bounty chocolate bars are ready to be eaten. Merry Christmas.